What's up, y'all? I'm finally back. Okay, I don't usually make videos like these, but I'm gonna tell you a story, right? So I was in bed, right? Couldn't fall asleep at all. I was overthinking, whatever you want to call it. Maybe I wasn't journaling enough or something, Thinking about my goals. Are these goals really yours, or are they like, what people are projecting on you, like social media? What's the newest like trend and stuff? What's actually coming out in like today's world? Let me ask you this: how are your goals affected by society and social media, huh? So, me personally, I could definitely say that my goals were somewhat affected by society and social media and what they identified as like status and the newest norm. But to tell you guys that that should be far from the truth, and 90% of social media is a scam, other than the people that are using social media to like monetize themselves and all that. But if you're just like a consumer on social media, you're mostly getting scammed. 90% of what you see on social media is not real at all, and I'm just here to just show you guys that. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a story about my experience with social media and like something that like just changed the way I thought about social media in general. So this was like at least like a month ago, right? So keep in mind, I've not been on social media for like a good 3 years. Like I think I went on it when I was like 13. So I haven't been on social media for a long time. So I haven't made a single post. So a month ago, right? I made my first. Well, I was thinking about making my first post on social media, right? Specifically Instagram, right? So I got the pictures. I already had some pretty good photos that my brother took of me. It was like a Porsche and stuff. I might put them up, but yeah. So I was thinking about posting on social media, right? And then when you get like, you start overthinking to yourself. You're just like, should I even post? Is it even worth it? Like, what am I gonna put as a caption? How am I gonna arrange the photos? What sound am I gonna use? Like, those are the typical stuff I was overthinking. Like, if you think like a post should take like 5 minutes, which I think it shouldn't really take more than like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Because even though I do like TikToks, it doesn't even take me that long to post. I don't overthink it too much because all I really overthink is like shooting the product, make sure it's in a good lighting, make sure the camera's focused, like those type of things, the technical stuff that really determine if your video goes viral or not. But like personal stuff, I thought how I think social media should be is like how you want to present yourself. Like, it shouldn't be determined on like the standard, or how you shouldn't have to look at other people and be like, oh, I have to make my photos look something like that. I have to compare. It shouldn't be a comparison game. So anyways, back to the story. I was overthinking that, right? So I asked some friends for help, and this is where everything started going downhill. So I started asking friends for help, like, oh, can you help me choose the photos? Can you help me arrange them, put the caption and stuff? But then, so I was asking them, we were busy, we were doing stuff, so it was still taking a long time. So I was just like, at the end, I was just like, forget it, I'll just do it myself, right? So after I like arranged the photos, chose the photos I think I should put, I put the caption, put the sound, and then I posted it, Literally the second I posted it and it went on my friend's feed, they saw the caption and they saw the arrangement, and they were like, give me your phone right now. We gotta take that down immediately. So I guess something I did that I wasn't supposed to do was like, I put I guess 2 emojis. One of them was like a Zen emoji, and then I forgot what the other one was. It might have been like a meditation emoji. They're like, take that down immediately, take it down. Like, I was like, why though? You know, I guess we're going green. But yeah, I was like, why? You know, like why are we? Like, why should I take it down? You know? And then they were like, you know, it's like cringe or whatever. You know, like I wasn't thinking that deeply of it, because to me it was like I just want to put something that, you know, represents me. You know, I just don't want to be fake or inauthentic. Like, I want to be authentic, you know. Like, if someone goes on my page, I want them to know, like, this is me. Like, this is the type of stuff I like. This is the type of vibe I'm on, you know. So, yeah, we chose the photos, and I was, like, thinking to myself, I was like, so is this what social media really is? Like, you have to... So, I guess the main reason that they took it down is because it didn't fit. Like, it was cringe, or like, I don't know, I don't really fully understand it to this day. But then ever since that day, I was just like, man, so now I know, now I got a taste of what people have been suffering without social media, like fearing, like the fear of judgment from other people, like fearing that other people will like see your stuff and be like, oh, why would he post that, you know, that type of stuff. I guess that's what they're trying to protect me from, but at the end of the day, that shouldn't be a problem. We should all be authentic in our own selves and post whatever we want to post.